Hello. Today I would like to discuss with you Microsoft Power BI and how it can help project managers. To be honest, I can talk about this topic for hours. In my work, Power BI helped me, if not the most, but a lot in my journey to manage complex projects. First, I would like to give you a bit of insight into my psyche, or the way I approach project management. The way I think about it is that project managers are problem solvers. Even the best project managers have issues on their projects. This is the nature of projects, being unpredictable. And when unpredictable hits, that's where we come in. Solve issues and move project forward. Put them back on track. That's the first point. The second point is that I despise manual effort. If it can be automated, it means that I will have more time to actually solve issues. And that's why I like Power BI so much. It allows me to automate some labor, which otherwise I will have to do manually. First, I would like to start with telling you how I started using it myself. It was quite a long time ago, around 7 or so years ago. Back then I was working in Outsourced and we had really large challenging client. The challenge was that on monthly basis we had to fulfill strict SLA and KPIs to proceed to next stage. And therefore, as a manager for that project, I needed visibility. I needed visibility because I had 30 people reporting to me on this project. And so I started looking for a tool that can help me with that. Preferably not to have any manual labor and also have daily visibility into how we're progressing towards the monthly goal. And on my search, I came up with Power BI. It was really fresh on the market, just released maybe a little less than a year ago, but it was free. And so I started looking into. And what I found was the tool that helped me as a manager compile all of the data that I had about the project, budget, finances, vacations, KPIs, etc., visualize it into series of reports and have that visibility that I was craving. And at some point, even predict whether with our current velocity, we will end up meeting the goal of the month. That's how I started. And I continued doing so across the years, on all of the projects that I was involved in and all of the companies that I worked for. Another vivid example of me using Power BI was when I was on the other side of the barricades. I was working with outsourcers. It's just this time around, I was the one managing them. And so I wanted to collect all of the information and about their performance. And one of the things I came up with is I connected Power BI to Active Directory. This is the place where in Microsoft environment, all of the accounts are stored. I connected to Active Directory, extracted all of their accounts, and what I also was able to see there is when each account was used last time. And that's how I figured out that the information that I am provided isn't actually matching what I see in Active Directory. And some of those accounts weren't used for quite a while. Of course, conversation had to happen. This is my case for project managers to utilize Power BI in their work. There is a lot more to cover, it's just the tip of the iceberg, which I will be covering in later videos. Stay tuned.